All right, so I noticed something last night. Uh, Looking at my driver's side soft top above the middle back window, you got that going on. And a quick search showed that there's a TSB out for this as of mid-October. So I actually found an appointment to go into the dealer tomorrow morning. We'll see what they say. I'll bring the TSB with me. It's not happening on the other side yet, but I'm gonna take the soft top back and see if I can see where it's rubbing. All right, so there's that rubby spot right there against that. Yep, right here where it's happening. So we'll see what they do about it. Well, the dealer's situation went well. They acknowledged the TSB. They have an order for a new top part of the soft top, so they're going to replace that canvas. I don't know if they're going to replace the windows or not. I hope not. It's not needed, but we'll see what they do. And it's on a soft back order, so it'll be sometime weeks, months. Who knows? Obviously, that rubbing isn't functional at all, but we don't want it to be happening. And when that all comes in, they'll be following the directions in the TSB at the time, which includes adjusting the that piece of metal that thing was rubbing up against, and they call it a deflector. So be changing that out. So I'll give you an update when that happens.